Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's this series of Flexbox Froggy, we are going to learn CSS properties with helping this frog to go on its lily pad, which is right side. So yeah, let's start with the first property, which is justify content. Basically justify content except 5 values, which is flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around. So if we use flex start, it will be start of the container, it will be end of the container. If we use flex end, center will be center of the container, space between will be space between of this frog will increase, and space around will be space around of the frog will be increase. Each of the property or the values we will be seeing in the next levels. This is level 1 and we will be going till level 24. So first level is justify content. So if I'm putting justify content, and here we have to go with the property flex end. So if I'm putting flex end, you can see my frog is jump to lily pad, and that's what the first example is. Justify content flex end, it will move to the right side of the container. Thank you so much guys, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.